Construction Calculator is an Android application specifically designed to assist professionals in the construction industry with complex calculations relevant to building and renovation projects. This app provides a range of tools and features that streamline and simplify various calculations, such as area, volume, dimensions, and material estimations. Users can benefit from built-in calculators for tasks like calculating concrete or masonry quantities, determining measurements for flooring and roofing, and converting units between different systems. The app often includes visualization tools, such as diagrams and graphs, to help users better understand their calculations. By offering quick and accurate computations, Construction Calculator helps professionals save time, reduce errors, and increase efficiency on the job site. It's a valuable resource for contractors, architects, engineers, and DIY enthusiasts looking to enhance their planning and execution of construction projects.